Welcome to my channel and gallery. Today in this video, I will share the idea and the skill for repairing or changing the charging connector of any kind of mobile phone, Samsung or any brands. In this repair video, I have chosen Samsung A14 5G mobile phone. Phone has charging error after brief study. Found out that the charging connector from the motherboard side was broken, so needed to replace. Using the safest way shown in this video, using minimum heat, without damaging the motherboard, I have changed the parts. Hope you will all enjoy and learn the repair skill. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in comment section. I will be happy to reply you all. And please comment too if there is any mistake from me, so I can improve it in the future. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.